On the red planet, Zeta 5 discovers a small creature in
Zeta 5 carries the creature to a safe shelter inside a crystal cave.
But deep inside the cave,
The Crystal Sentinel tests Zeta 5's intentions through an ancient energy beam.
Proving its peaceful mission, Zeta 5 receives a precious energy core from the ancient Guardian.
With the power core secured, the secret exit activates to guide them home.
The ancient lift carries Zeta 5 and Mars Cat toward the Martian surface.
Back under Martian skies, Zeta 5 and Mars Cat prepare for their journey home.
You've just watched it. Impressive, right? Created fast with the Veo 3 Prompt Assistant Collection. The full Veo 3 Prompt Assistant Collection, launching in just a few weeks.
Create stunning AI video content. No camera, no actors, full visual consistency powered by AI. Join the next generation of AI video creation. Reserve your access to Veo 3 Prompt Assistant today.